that depend on the man to buy her things. She got her own job and got her own car, and she ain't Hollywood, but I promise she's a star. And yeah, she ain't in the drama, elegant for the limo ride and still rock shot up in the Hummer. She's in her career and she takes life serious, but still can take a choke, Eddie Murphy delirious. Oh my God, look at her style. Oh my God, look at her smile. And I ain't seen one like this in a while. She was all about kingdom, and that's what I need. She was all about kingdom. You already know what it is. She was all about kingdom, and that's what I need. She was all about kingdom. You already know what it is. Nothing like a kingdom woman, you can't take them for a dummy. I got kingdom in my family, from my wifey to my mommy. Seen them run daycare, state fairs, and do hair. Be careful how you treat her, cause mommy's a paralegal, a nurse, a student, a model, and a marine. And still all about Jesus, the finest I've ever seen. Proverbs 31, girl, if there was a 32, guarantee it would have been written